Hi, this is Mike Slowinski, Library Media Coordinator for the West Pier School District. Today we are going to learn how to create a homework listing on your website. And basically what that is a calendar that lists out when things are due for your students. So as you can see on this English 9 site, I have a calendar listing here for the week of August 8th through August 12th. And you can see that To Kill a Mockingbird Chapter 3 is due for Tuesday. And the homework on Wednesday is to get their syllabus signed. So it lists out the due date, the grade, and the class that this is for. So another nice part about the homework listing is that you can also enter extra information. So if I click on syllabus signed, you can see I've entered a description to have their parents sign the syllabus for tomorrow. But I've also have the option of attaching documents. So if it's some sort of a worksheet or something you have an electronic copy of, you can actually attach that right to the homework listing. So if a student forgot their syllabus in their locker at home, they can go ahead and click on syllabus here, and it's going to go ahead and bring up the syllabus so they can download it from anywhere. So this will be a really helpful tool for you, your students, and their parents. So this is what we're going to work on today. Okay, so I've just logged into CMS4Schools, and I'm going to go up and click on Edit My Profile. And once I get to Edit My Profile, I'm going to go down to My Homework Admin, which is down on the left side menu. So if you click there, you'll see, if this is the first time setting this up, the link Edit Classes and Sections. So this is where you want to go to add all of your classes so you can distinguish where the homework is going to be assigned to. So I'm going to go ahead and add a class, and just for now I'll add English 9. It asks you to pick the grade that the class is for and then make sure it's active. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add, and once I'm done adding all the classes I want to add, I'll go and click on Back to My Homework Admin. Alright, so this is where you're going to enter in your various homework assignments. So let's say I want to enter in on August 3rd a homework assignment, and we'll call that homework syllabus signed. Okay, then you have to choose which section or class it's for, and since we only have one class, we'll assign it to English 9. Then you can choose the date that it's assigned and the date that it's due. And then you can add extra information. So if you want to add a description about what the homework assignment is or some extra directions, this is the place to do it. So we'll put in here, have your parents sign and return the syllabus tomorrow. Okay. And if we scroll down a little farther, you can see that you have a place to add links or attachments. So if you have the actual electronic document there, this would be a great place to add that. So I'm going to go ahead and browse for my syllabus, and here you can see my 9th grade English syllabus. Again, as I've stated in previous videos, if you have a choice between Word document and PDF, go with the PDF because it'll be more compatible for the people who are trying to download it. It's very easy to convert Word documents to PDF, and you can actually take a look at one of my previous videos to figure out how to do that. So I'm going to use put the PDF in there, and then I'm going to give it a title just so it shows up nicely. I'll put syllabus. Then you also have the option of, is this a recurring homework assignment? So because the syllabus is going to be a one-time assignment, I'm just going to keep it at none. But you could make this something that recurs daily or weekly or monthly. So when I'm done, I click Submit New Assignment, and then you can see that syllabus signed will show up right there on Wednesday the 3rd. Now I still need to get this calendar to show up on the page I want it to. So if I go back over to my left side menu, I want this to show up on my English 9 website. Alright, so I'm going to go to the Tools here, and I'm going to pull down to Homework Listing, and then I'll choose where on the page I would like that to be and click Add. And now I have the homework listing calendar on my page. Now, if you would have set up let's say 3 different classes or 4 different classes of yours, you don't want English 9 looking at the homework for English 10. So you still have to go ahead and click edit this homework listings properties, and then it's going to ask you to select the classes that you want to show up on this particular calendar. So if I had 3 other classes listed here, I just want English 9 to show up, so I'm going to click that. You can see that if you don't select any, all of the classes will show up. So if I had 4 different classes of homework, people looking at my English 9 page would see all the different classes of homework instead of just their own. So it's pretty important that you go ahead and do that extra step. So click update when you've selected the class, and then you're all set. So if we want to preview what this looks like on the live internet, here's my English 9 page, and you can see this is the week of August 1st to August 5th. Here's the assignment I put on for August 3rd, syllabus signed. I can click on it, there's the description, and here's my attachment, and if I click on that, once again, it actually brings up the document that I attached to it. Alright, so that's all there is to it. If you want to give me a call if you have any questions, my extension is 1333. Thank you.